Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Clouds have moved in pretty quick over the last few hours in Gold Beach. Mostly cloudy conditions. We're tracking the potential for showers mainly along and west of the Cascades tonight. We're starting to see some of those showers moving into northern portions of Jackson County, especially up towards the Crater and Diamond Lake areas. Most of that shower activity is going to be fairly light tonight. It's not expected to add up to all that much, but the big impacts from this storm system, not exactly the precipitation, but it will be some much cooler temperatures on tap for the weekend and some pretty strong winds that'll kick up as we move into your Sunday. Right now, we're sitting at 70 still in Medford. It's 57 in Klamath Falls, 59 in Christmas Valley, 64 for you folks in Montague, as well as in Brookings and Grants Pass. Winds are fairly light, and they've lightened up a bit along the coast, but these winds are really going to crank up, especially coming up on Sunday. So here's a look at Stormcast. By the time we get to late tonight into early tomorrow morning, shower activity, especially along the Cascades, could see a shower or a sprinkle in Medford and Grants Pass back to the west of the coast. Don't think we're going to see much in Northern California. We'll see a brighter day tomorrow, still a good amount of sunshine, but clouds will linger through a chunk of the day in southern Oregon, especially for inland areas and near the Cascades. As we move on into Sunday, starting off with a little bit of low clouds, maybe a bit of fog, but we should see a lot of sunshine on Sunday. But you will notice a big change in the weather when it comes to temperature as well as how strong those winds are going to be. As far as rainfall is concerned tonight, it's not going to be much. If we're lucky along the Cascades, we could pick up a few hundredths of an inch to as much as a tenth of an inch, but most of the beneficial rain is staying up to our north. Now, taking a look at tomorrow's forecast, we should turn to mostly sunny skies along the coast, upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. Winds will be breezy out of the northeast. We'll look for dry conditions for Northern California. Cooler temperatures, though, many spots mainly climbing into the 60s. Winds are going to crank up in the basin, especially in the afternoon, and temperatures will start to drop as well, getting up to 60 in Klamath Falls, but some of that cooler air starts to move into Lake County as we head later in the day tomorrow. The Cascades, some showers in the morning, fairly early, and then a mix of sun and clouds the rest of the day. May see a brief shower early tomorrow in the Rogue Valley, but then a mix of sun and clouds for the afternoon, highs in the 60s. With that colder air moving in tomorrow night, we are expecting some pretty cold weather to start Sunday. More freeze watches have been issued for our west side valleys and the Mount Shasta area to start off your day on Sunday. Notice that cool down this weekend in the Rogue Valley. Also going to see some gusty winds on Sunday. Taking a look at Stormcast when it comes to winds. There are those winds kicking up for the east side. A cold front's going to come through. Winds crank up around the region coming up on Sunday, especially through some of the higher terrain. And because of the winds and because of some very low humidity, a red flag warning has been issued along and west of the Cascades primarily. That gets going 8 a.m. Sunday, continues until 11 a.m. on your Monday, and fires could spread quickly in those conditions with gusty winds and very low humidity. Your 7-day forecast, lots of sunshine though in the days ahead. Temperatures moderate a bit into next week. Northern California getting much cooler, gusty winds on Sunday, highs only in the 50s. For the Klamath Basin, we're going to see some cold mornings there by Sunday and Monday morning, down into the teens, even some single digits possible. The Cascades, a few showers tomorrow morning, otherwise a stretch of some drier weather into next week. And then checking out your forecast for the Rogue Valley. Feeling like fall this week, and those gusty winds will be a bit of an issue, though, coming up on Sunday.